that tests the spirit, when the path won't level out, when the sky keeps all the answers and the heart is filled with doubt. But I've heard of mercy rising right where hope was running thin, and the stone that sealed the graveyard couldn't keep the light within. When the doubt starts calling and the night moves in, there's a power still breathing that can turn the tide again. Don't let the hard days win. Don't surrender your ground. Every shadow standing near you will hear freedom in the sound.